welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a mask review, and this is for a mask kit I actually found at Walmart. I loved it. I found this last year and I haven't gotten to use them until now, so I wanted to do a review for you guys. And the cool thing about this is a 7-day mask set, which I thought was really cute, so I got it. They have 1 peel off mask, 6 gel and clay face mask, and 1 mask applicator, which is the little applicator stick there. So guys, I'm going to show you guys actually be putting all of the masks on. I did this over a period of 1 week, as it says on the box to do it, and I love this. I didn't think it turned out that bad, except for one not so amazing one for me, but that's just because of my skin type, to be honest. So let's get started guys. I wanted to show you guys what I did and how did these masks turn out. So the first mask I actually tried, I started this on Sunday because usually Saturday I would do a facial and Sunday would be a great day to just start using those masks. And it started off with the charcoal mask. So this is the 1 peel off mask. If you guys can see me applying this, it is not the best for my skin. I didn't like applying it because it was so sticky. I don't know if it was just me, but I didn't get quite an even application with that, but I did do pretty good at applying it in most part of my face, and I got to actually go ahead and see it peel off. It was really nice. I think it was the most work I had to do with the mask on here, because I had to apply it, and peeling it off was crazy because it wasn't that much in it. I feel like that's why it was so hard to peel off, because it was so thin peeling it off. But overall, if you're somebody that has like clogged pores, like you get a lot of nose blackheads or whiteheads, this would be a great mask for you. When I peeled it off, I didn't see much on there, but it was pretty decent overall. My skin felt really soft after I took it off, so I must say that about it. Now the next mask was on Monday. Monday was the avocado mask. The avocado mask was beautiful. It felt good. My skin felt so moisturizing after I put it on. I love that mask. So that was a definite 10 out of 10 winner for me. Now the Tuesday mask was the tea tree mask. The tea tree mask felt nice. It was moisturizing. Wasn't as moisturizing as the avocado, but I felt like my skin got a little bit of treatment more. It was something like if you're having trouble with your skin, if your skin is being irritated or anything of that nature, I felt like this would be a great mask to treat it and calm it down. Wednesday was the next best mask, to be honest. It was the cucumber mask. As soon as you put that mask on, you feel it. It's so cooling. Your face feels refreshed. It cools down your skin, and I love it. And it is moisturizing completely. It moisturizes your skin. It feels so nice. I love the way my skin felt after I put it on, and I absolutely just love how it blended with my skin, how it left it just bouncy and fresh. I love that. Was the coconut mask. The coconut mask felt great. It is definitely moisturizing, refreshing. Your face will feel just what's the word for it? Your face just feels like it just drank quite a bit of moisture that it was missing, but it leaves your face like you had some oil on it, but you were able to wash it off and you got a pretty clean, healthy, glowing looking face. So I truly love the coconut mask. Is the vitamin C mask. The vitamin C mask, I would say that is a morning mask that you should put on if you're getting up in the morning. One day you're doing a treatment. I was a little sad that that wasn't the Saturday mask, because that's the day I do my facial usually, and that would have been a great mask to add on to. I would usually peel my face. I've already done usually on Wednesday now I do my face treatment where I go ahead, I do a peel. So Wednesday would have been great to have that mask, but I was happy it was the cucumber day because I got to use a refreshing cucumber on my face after I went ahead and peeled it and shaved it. So that gave me a little bit of moisture that I needed on top of everything else I was doing. But vitamin C mask, refreshing, great. Your face will glow after you put this on, I must say. I love that about that mask. If you're having any problem with your skin, you're having hyperpigmentation issues, go with the vitamin C mask. So this would be a mask to go with to do it. I wouldn't do it every day to not cause any irritation or get massive sunburn on your face, but it would be a great mask to do about 3-4 times a week to help your face glow and get rid of any hyperpigmentation or scars or mark on your skin. mask was the watermelon mask. The watermelon mask felt great. It felt refreshing again. It didn't cool down like the cucumber, but it was cooling and it was refreshing. Your face felt moisturized. It felt great, and it just felt like what you needed to moisturize your face. If your face gets dry often and you're looking for a good mask to just keep that dryness away and nourish your skin, the watermelon mask is a great one to use. Overall review of this, to be honest. So my top 3 masks would be number 3, I would go with the vitamin C. The vitamin C, I say that because it just helps. It does so much more. Moisturize your face and it helps your face glow. I feel like over time, if you use it a lot, you will see the difference of it clearing up your skin. And I just love how my face look afterward using it. My number 2 mask is definitely the cucumber. The cucumber not only moisturized your face, but I love that cooling effect it had on your face. It just felt great. It's cooling, especially during these hot months in Florida right now. It is humid, so a cucumber mask to do this. This is a mask I could put on every day. I would love to have this cucumber mask to just do it every day. By the way, I got a couple of packets of these, so I am going to be using these masks very often. But I would use the cucumber mask every day, no issue. My skin would feel refreshed and just moisturizing. Now, the number 1 mask, if you guys haven't gotten this already, that I absolutely love is the avocado mask. It does it all for me. It moisturizes, it refreshes. I feel like my skin has been treated and it just feels beautiful on my face. My skin, it glows after I use it. I absolutely love how it felt. And if you're somebody that has a lot of problem skin, you easily get breakout on your skin or anything like that, I would say try the avocado mask a couple of times, because that would be the one that I feel like would work the best for problem skin. Of course, honorable mention, I would go 4th mask is the Saturday watermelon mask. Love that mask. The coconut mask would be the 5th mask that I absolutely love, and the 6th mask would be Tuesday tea tree. The tea tree mask wasn't bad, but I just felt like if I use it too much, it would irritate my skin. It's something I would use once in a while. Not bad if you are having issues with your skin. Again, with the breakout, I would definitely use that mask because it has the tea tree treatment on there for you. And the last mask is the Sunday mask, the charcoal mask. The charcoal mask is my skin type. I don't really have any issues that the charcoal mask would have to tackle. I don't have clogged pores as much like that. I do have a couple of clogged pores, but it's nothing bad. Where I've seen people take off those peel masks where they have it like you can see all the little gunks and everything. I truly didn't see anything when I peeled it off, so it's not a mask that's truly my favorite. I would use, I'd probably use a little bit of it on my nose and some of my jaw area, my cheeks, things like that, but it's not a mask I would always put on to just put it on because my face is clogging up. So overall, I love this little kit. I was happy to use it, and I love the fact that it comes with a little brush for you to use with that. Plus, I get to keep it again. I've been using that little brush to actually put on my clay mask every day, so I'm gonna get another use out of that. And it was great. Overall, great little kit. If you're looking to buy any of their products, any of their masks, I would say definitely try this little kit first to see how your skin reacts to it. It's not that expensive. I'm gonna pull it up how much it is at Walmart. when I got this, actually was on sale. It was like $1.28 or $1 something like that. It was under $2, so I just grabbed a bunch of them when I was at the store to try them. So I would say try these first, see what masks work best for you. And the great thing about these is the mask didn't cause any type of irritation. My skin is one of those skin, if I use anything that's too irritating, it'll break out really quick, it'll go crazy on me, and I didn't experience any of that throughout the week that I was using it. Everything worked great for my skin. You guys can tell it's actually clearing up, doing a lot better, and it didn't cause me any issues. So overall, great little pack of masks to try. I'm happy I tried this. Again, as I said, I have a couple more I'm going to be trying over the next few weeks. I'm gonna do them 1 week, use them, and the next week take off, and then so on until I have all of them used up. But overall, great little mask. So if you guys have any other facial kit that you use or any other mask that works great for your skin, definitely comment down below and let us know. And of course, I always say, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Leave all of your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Helps my channel out a lot. And of course, don't forget to go over and watch my last video. You got me shaking, yeah, I feel